Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can deposit crypto on Changelly. Well, it's quite easy. All you have to do is simply open the application, make sure that you are logged into your account, and from here all you have to do is buy. So you can tap on this icon right here and then simply tap on buy option right here, and from here you can simply write down the amount. You can select the currency from here. For example, I'm going to select euro, and then you can write down the amount that you want to buy, just like this, and you can see this will be the amount of Bitcoin that you will receive from this money, right? But if you don't want to buy Bitcoin and you want to buy something else, you can again drag this arrow right here and select what kind of cryptocurrency you want. For now, I'm just going to go with Bitcoin. So usually you can simply buy crypto through direct transactions, but if some crypto requires Bitcoin or any other currency in order to get it, you will have to first of all deposit the currency in your wallet, right? So for example, I want to buy a specific cryptocurrency that will require Bitcoin. So I'm going to first of all buy Bitcoin in my wallet. I'm going to select the provider from here. I am going to tap on this arrow right here and I'm going to select unlimited provider like this. And from unlimited, I want my Visa card to be the payment method. So I'm going to select my Visa card. Here you can see only Transact allows Visa cards. So Transact will be selected just like this. And if you have a promo code, you can tap on this option right here and simply add down the promo code and tap on apply. Like that, promo code will be applied. Then tap on next step, and in here you'll have to write down your destination address, or you can simply scan the QR from this option right here. If you tap on this option, your camera will be open, and like that you can simply scan the QR code and your destination address will be added. And now finally you'll have to tap on confirm, and like that your payment will be done and you'll be able to buy Bitcoin. Now in order to exchange your Bitcoin to something else, you'll have to again go back. We're gonna get to the home page just like this. Again, tap on this icon right here and then tap on exchange. So after tapping on exchange, here you can see this is the amount of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency that you want to exchange, and you can change the currency from here too. If you drag this button right here, you can select what currency you want to exchange. For now, I'm going to go with Bitcoin since I bought this earlier. So I'm going to type down the amount just like this. And here you can see you can exchange it to Ethereum. But if you don't want Ethereum and something else, you can again drag this arrow right here and you can tap on the search bar and search for the currency, or you can simply manually search for it just like this. I am going to select this particular cryptocurrency, AIN. So I'm going to tap on it and you can see I have selected it now. So in here, you can see I have added down the amount of Bitcoin and they have given me the amount of AIN currency that I will get through this amount of Bitcoin. So when you have confirmed it, you can simply tap on exchange. If you have a promo code, you can tap on this option right here and add down the promo code in order to apply it and tap on exchange just like this. And here you'll have to finally add down your destination address. So you can tap on it, manually write down the wallet address, or you can tap on this icon right here and again scan your QR code. And when you're done with it, finally all you have to do is tap on confirm and your payment will be done. And like that you'll be able to exchange your cryptocurrency, and just like this your crypto will be deposited on your Changelly. And yeah, that is it. These are some ways that you can deposit crypto on your Changelly. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.